Hello everybody, this is Chris from Colton RV here in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. I got this really cool 2026 Montana 3100 RL. It's got a lot of great features inside and out. I'd like to show them to you. Come on, check it out. First thing I'd like to show you here, if you're looking for some really cool entertainment and you spend a lot of time outside, we got this really cool TV. Pulls all the way out. You can swivel it around. Look at that. Everybody can see from any angle. Great for tailgating, partying, camping alike, watching movies with the family. It's awesome. The next best thing, or the next thing I'd like to show you here, is the amount of storage in this. And this pull-out tray is a really nice feature. It'll save your back from climbing in there, grabbing things. You can easily grab from the very back of this thing to the very front, fill it up with all your stuff. Easily slides back in. Locks into place, and you just pull this down and you're good to go. You got your propane over here. You got some storage in the front here, a lot of storage in the front, and then top and bottom. They even have cutouts for a generator if you chose to put one in. There's cutouts down there for your exhaust and your controls and your wires. This is your control center. This is where your battery goes. This is where everything is hooked up and sends power through your unit. This is the other side of the storage. So you can get from either side, pull it out this way, pull it out the other way, whatever's convenient and easiest for you guys. Over here is your hookups. Everything is conveniently located right in one spot. You come up through the bottom real nice and clean. You can shut this cover and lock it so nobody can mess with your controls, but everything is right here and convenient for you to hook up. So one of the other great features of a new 26 Montana is the front cap. And if you notice, we have a couple of 25s here on our lot that look slightly different. You notice the front cap and the gaskets around your compartments are gone on this one. Nice, sleek, nice, clean look, beautiful front cap, real nice. So there's some really cool features on the inside now I'd like to show you guys. Come on in. One of the first things I'd like to show you on the inside here is the LED lighting. It's awesome. There's so much lighting in here, and you can control it. You have a dimmable switch right here. You can dim that down. You probably might be a little bit hard to see in the video, but you can see these lights up here are all dimming down. So this thing has a ton of features, and I'm touching on some of them, but I just wanted to point these out. This is a nice little storage area on both sides of the couch. They're hinged. And they close real slow so they don't slam shut on you, but you can put remotes in there. You can put your phone, whatever valuables that you want to put in there. Each side has one. Plenty of room in there to store, like I said, remotes, extension cords, stuff like that. Another cool feature is the big TV and living room area. You have a nice fireplace right here. Nice TV to look at. You have recliners over here, and you have a couch over here, which pulls out into a bed, by the way. So you have extra sleeps here if you have some company. Another great feature is this storage area. Look at this. This opens up. If you're looking for extra storage, hidden compartments, you put a lot of stuff back here that you don't necessarily want being set out, just hidden away. Residential appliances, microwave. You have your stainless steel stove, 4-burner oven, and a full residential size refrigerator. All solid wood cabinetry in this one. If you look at the styles and the drawer handles, I mean, everything is just solid wood. Everything's nice and solid surface countertops. You have the ceiling fan in the kitchen, which a lot of fifth wheels won't have. That's an extra feature in the Montana. The island actually holds a lot of storage. You have a lot of cabinet space. And again, I want to point out they're all solid wood. Here's your garbage containers. You have a lot of space underneath your sink here for more storage. Nice, deep, wide drawers. And the best thing about the kitchen here is the pantry. It'll light up when you open the door for you, and it'll hold a lot of canned goods, a lot of extra supplies that you guys have. This little dinette they have in here, it's a desk dinette. And you can move this. You can pull it to the right. You can pull it to the left. Wherever you choose, you can have one chair on one side and one on the other. However you want to set it up. It's pretty cool. Let's head up here in the bathroom here. If you notice here, the bathroom is large, and it has an L-shaped vanity countertop here, so you have a lot of room to set your toothbrushes and all your extra stuff here. Nice mirror that's lit up. Here you have another dimmer in your bathroom. If you can see the lights dimming, you can dim them down or turn them nice and bright. But you have plenty of room. Nice big shower. Plenty of room in here. Plenty of headroom. Let's see. Everything, like I said, is solid wood. Even your drawers and all your cabinets back here in the bedroom are all solid wood. This one offers a nice big sliding drawer closet. You can bar going all the way across, and it's all LED lit. Look at that. You turn it on. You can. This one doesn't have a dimmer, but you can light it. And then this one here also has a washer and dryer hookup for those of you who do the laundry out on the road, and you have access to your own washer and dryer. You also have a TV and fireplace in the bedroom, so you're not losing out on any kind of options, and all the luxuries follow you in this thing from front to back. Another cool feature that this Montana has is a safe. Look at that. You can fit all your valuable jewelry, you know, firearms, whatever you want locked up and safe can easily be safe in here and locked away, and it's lit. You also have a laundry chute right here. A nice little place to keep all your dirty clothes and dirt out of the way, and you're not stepping on them. Another cool feature, more storage in this thing. Under the bed, you have storage. You can put your, you know, your shoes and some clothes, some bags, and whatever you need to. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video on this 2026 Keystone Montana 3100 RL. It's got a lot of cool features. If you guys want to come down and check it out, we're at 489 Bushkill Plaza Lane in Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. And my number is 610-863-5239. My extension is 817. Give me a call. I'll be glad to show it to you. Have a great day.